I'm so bored of listening to bad quality music. What I will need is the old school jukebox.
Oh yeah, a nice looking jukebox with awesome LED animations. That would be great.
Why not? But it'll be so cool to make it look vintage with beautiful buttons and to have an easy to use user interface.
Yeah.
And what about adding some 3D holograms of the artist? You know, to create some kind of futuristic style inside the jukebox and...
Oh yeah, sounds good.
But how would we call it? Holobox is a futuristic jukebox made by us, the Holobox team. We are 4 GPSE students at Polytech Lyon and we suggested creating our own jukebox with holograms representing the universe of the songs Holobox can play. We called it Holobox because it's the mix between hologram and jukebox, so it's the perfect summary of our project.
Hello, my name is Wenjuan and I'm responsible for creating the easy-to-use user interface. My job consisted in creating an easy-to-use interface with the name of the songs linked to buttons that can control the song you want Holobox to play. I had to create a Python program on the Raspberry Pi to manage the button panel, and I also designed an electronic circuit on EasyDA in order to centralize every electronic part on one board.
So my name is Robin and I was responsible for creating the LED animations all around our jukebox. The first thing I had to do was creating a Python script which can handle audio files in order to create easy to read text files that contain the information we need to light up the LEDs at the right time. Then I wrote a Python script which handles the MP4 files with a video player and also displays the LED animations coordinated with the sound. I also gave Wenjuan a hand with the electrical circuits of the user interface because it was a little tricky.
Hello, I'm Alexandre and my job was to manage the audio parts of the jukebox. I had to understand how audio system works and how we can find one adapted to our needs. I start by working on amplifier and pre-amplifier circuit, and later I choose the right circuit for our jukebox. I also worked on 3D modeling with Fusion 360 to make a 3D model of our jukebox in order to guide us during the building of it.
Hello, my name is Nathan and I worked on creating the holograms matching the music for the jukebox. First of all, I created 3D textures of the singers and dancers, and then we used motion captures on Robin's body to create the moving skeleton we needed to give life to our 3D models. Then, we used virtual cameras on Blender to make a video that can be displayed on a prism to create the holograms.
Our jukebox is very easy to use. To switch it on, you just have to connect the mains plug and that's it. So wait a few seconds until Holobox is ready, and then you can use it. Then you can launch one of the music using the button panel. For example, this one. Okay, so now you can change the volume, change the bass, or the treble. You also have 3 buttons to control Holobox. The first one is the play pause button, so you can pause the song, play the song. You can also change the color of the LEDs. So now it's green, change again. And the last button is to exit and go back to the waiting screen. Holobox has been made to entertain people in restaurants or bars, but it can also be the center of your living room. Now that you know how to use it, please feel free to use it and tell us what you think about it. Enjoy!